Hello everyone, and welcome again to a new lesson of Microsoft Excel powered by Small Head Big Wisdom. Today I'm gonna talk about some other functions in Excel. So specifically the function left and the function right. So for that I'm gonna write a word here on A5, for instance zip code, and 6 numbers. So it's basically the function left is used to extract the characters from the left of a string. So based on an specific amount that we must enter. So for instance, only test. So first, as all formulas in Excel should start with equal. I can write left in small or capital letters, both work. Tab to put the parentheses, just enter the parentheses. Look at the syntax, left text and a number of characters. So I want from this string to extract how many characters. When we know the amount of characters, so we can enter it just directly 3. I want to remove or to take the first 3 characters. Close parentheses and hit enter. So it extract from this string only the first 3. But this only works when we know the fixed amount of characters. For instance, let's copy this, just increase the number 89, 90, 91, and I can do it again for the purpose of practicing. Left, tab, click, and for all of them 3. Equal, left, tab, click, comma, and 3, because I know there are only 3 characters from the left of these strings. So I can also delete and copy the formula I just created on the first one. Look at here in the formula bar, the formula. So I can copy when there is the black plus sign, hold left click, drag and drop, release, and here it is. I copy A6 and remove 3 characters, A7. So this is related to the function left. You can also insert here in formulas, insert formula, and look at the functions here the most used, or I can say text for manipulating text, and here it is left. But if you already remember, you just can enter it directly. So now let's talk about the function right. Here I want only numbers. So for that I'm gonna use the function right tab to enter the parentheses, so just enter it directly. What is the text? I want to take the characters from this string starting from the right. How many characters? Because I know all of them has 6 characters. And here it is. In the formula bar we can see from A5 take 6 characters starting from the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why these numbers are displayed. And for the others I can copy or just right tab and 6, right tab and go to the cell this and comma and 6, enter, and here it is. So this is very useful, especially when there are different records combining text and numbers and we want to separate them in different columns. So for that we use the left and the right functions. Let's do another example. For instance, I have telephone numbers with country code, but if I enter +1, Excel understand that I want to do a formula. So for that I can enter as a text, just enter the asterisk, the apostrophe, +1 dash, and let's put 10 numbers, dash, here dash 6890. So 10 numbers. So now I want to separate this string into country code and telephone number. Here to enlarge the width. So for that I'm gonna use the less function for the country code. From this string I want only two characters, the plus and the number. I know all of them has only two characters, that's why it will work. And for the telephone number I'm gonna use the right function, tab, this one, and I know there are 10 numbers plus 2 dashes, so it will be 12. Here it is. If I have many records, it will save you a lot of time. So imagine that I have this number, the only difference is the last digit, and because I created already this, I can copy. When there is the black plus, hold left click, drag and drop, and here as well, hold left click, drag and drop. If I have, for instance, I know the country code is only one digit, but they are different, so automatically it's updated. Okay, so this is the way to use the two functions left and right. In other videos I'm gonna show other functions to manipulate text. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you soon at Small Head Big Wisdom.